Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jamey Johnson's classic song, In Color. We'll start by mastering the fundamental chords. The song primarily uses 4 essential chords, G, C, D, and E minor. Practice transitioning smoothly between these shapes. Pay close attention to your G chord, ensuring all 6 strings ring out clearly. A solid foundation with these chords is crucial for capturing the song's heartfelt essence. Let's get started on building that strong musical base. Now, let's talk about the strumming pattern, which is key to the song's feel. A popular and effective pattern is down, down, up, down, up. Focus on keeping a consistent and steady tempo as you play through the verses and chorus. Listening to the original recording will help you pick up on the subtle rhythmic nuances. Emphasize the downbeat to give it that authentic country sound. This consistent rhythm will really bring the song to life. Understanding the song's structure will greatly enhance your performance. In Color typically follows a classic verse-chorus format with a distinct bridge section. Try varying your strumming intensity, perhaps a softer touch for the verses and a more robust strum for the chorus. The bridge often introduces a slightly different emotional emphasis, so adjust your playing accordingly. Matching your dynamics to the song's narrative will make your rendition truly impactful and expressive. To truly capture the authentic sound of In Color, consider using a capo on the 2nd fret. This will put you in the original key. If you're feeling adventurous, practice the subtle fingerpicking pattern that often introduces the song. Focus on clear articulation of every chord and note you play. Finally, singing along is an excellent way to develop your timing and overall musicality, making your performance more cohesive and heartfelt. Keep practicing, and you'll sound great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.